Welcome to the DRED Decentralized API presentation. My name is Simon. I'm one of the core team and contributors. We also have Patrick, Jake, Randall. The one that's me. We have developed DRED in Fund 8. We got funded for that. I've been first in our challenge actually. So we're very proud of that, and we have delivered DRED decentralized Redis. So what is DRED? DRED is channel-based communications technology which enables fast multi-user coordination in dApps and state channels to build transactions. It's a decentralized design supporting multiple cooperating nodes in the neighborhood. And it's a client software that connects to any node, make infrastructure more resilient to network problems. Then which gaps are we trying to fill? That is, we're trying to enhance centralized API dependencies, or maybe circumvent them in decentralized ecosystems, because we see there's a need for resilience, security, enhanced capacity, centralized deployments, and there's also lack of censorship resistance. The decentralized API architecture. Let me just read that maybe. Introducing DRED state channels enables the transition to the node operator model, where operators can participate and contribute to the network, and DAOs can share operational cost, monitoring, and enable rewarding. Yes, basically, that's a state channel for request response, decentralized load balancer, which I talked in the last slide already about, monitoring load requests and rewarding systems for load distribution, so tokenomics for people to be rewarded for their work as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Simon. So, anybody has any questions?
Someone else, please. Someone else.
So, Simon, I see there are questions from the community, so please allow me to read them. The first question is, this seems a fairly new concept, at the very least new terminology. Due to this, how will you increase the adoption of DRED besides your application of it for online poker? Will there be another lower hanging fruit that is equally as exciting?
Actually, this is the proposal for it. Decentralized APIs, I think, is more the low-hanging fruit than C-Poker, where C-Poker is a very complex dApp. Decentralized API is much more feasible than C-Poker. And how we will bring this to the community, I mean, it's a lot of marketing and talking to people like you guys here, and hopefully the people that watch on the videos as well. And everyone can contact me through various channels or others, and we'll try to give people the resources to also get started with DRED.
Awesome. Here's another question. So the proposer mentions there will be a reward system for load distribution among servers. Can they briefly elaborate on how this works?
We haven't finished the tokenomics of it yet, but in principle, the idea is, I think pretty clear. If people behave the way that they're supposed to, or that that it benefits DRED and the infrastructure, then they will be rewarded.
So you could say it's a straight up reward, something like a bounty.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the clarity. And last question from the community. They're quoting a harsh reviewer who believes your proposal has not fully connected with the Cardano ecosystem. Perhaps you would like to make this, perhaps you would like to address this, reviewer?
It has not. So we have built a proof of concept so far. So of course, there's still some work to be done. We're we're working hard on it. We have the proposal in here, which if you help us get it funded, it's gonna help us to deliver this project, especially have a use case already for it. So you can look at what we did with DRED and then just replicate it.
So the use case meaning your poker, online poker.
Yes, or the API project.
Great, great. There are no more questions from the community, perhaps from the participants. Sunny and Johan. Let's, Sunny, since you've been, would you mind if I allow Johan to ask? Okay, thank you, Sunny. Go ahead, Johan.
Yeah, so I just want to know, like roughly, what are the operational costs before they're shared and after they're shared, and it's just ballpark figures are fine.
Sorry, what do you mean with operational cost?
Well, so like you've said here that operators can participate and contribute to the network, and DAOs can share the operational cost. Like what are those costs?
Honestly, I'm not too sure about that. Maybe I can get back to you on that.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, I gotta say about that, maybe I'm the least technical member of a team, so yeah, I'm not sure what the requirements are, but I can definitely get back to you on that.
Cool.
Sunny?
Hello. So yeah, it's more of a clarification question. Is like, so this funding round is for building the architecture. Like, where are you in this journey of, bringing DRED to the market? And also, I guess to follow up on that is, how are you gonna integrate it into the Cardano ecosystem? It's kind of that harsh question. It maybe relates to that. Is like, what's going to be your marketing efforts, and how are you going to enable people from the general Cardano community to be able to realize that this is what they need and how to use it and stuff like that?
Yeah, I mean, in principle, everyone will be able to use the DRED software, but we're trying to give Cardano a tool to use their dApps with. Yeah, we're gonna just, I mean, it's, as I said, it's initiatives like this here where we're trying to spread the word. We're gonna set up a website just like we have done with Poker, and make nice marketing and everything. Maybe it's a bit early because, as I said, we only have the proof of concept. We don't have a full working product yet. That's why we're in Fund 11.
Okay, perfect.
But,
Thank
yeah.
you for that. Okay, so
everyone can reach out to us, and we're gonna try our best to connect you with the information that we have, and please feel free to help us. Try to play around with it. There is a lot of code there already. There's a proof of concept. It's just not integrated anywhere.
Awesome, awesome. So let's follow up on that call of collaboration by Simon. Any more questions? Son, you still have your hand up.
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay. So I think if there are no questions, we could continue with the next proposal, me.